Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to streak on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Some of your friends on Snapchat might have this kind of an emoji right next to their name that is called Snapchat Streak. If you and your friends are on Snap Streaks, that means you and your friend have snapped each other within 24 hours for more than 3 consecutive days. In order to start off with Snapstreak, simply go ahead and tap Open his Snapchat application once you're logged into your Snapchat account, like towards the right-hand side of the screen, and you'll be able to see all of the conversations that you have made with your friends to date. In order to start up with Snapstreak, you need to send a snap back and forth to each other within a 24-hour window. And that way you can start up with Snapstreak on Snapchat. Tap on one of your friends with whom you'd like to start the streak with and ask them to start a streak. Send a message to that person asking for it. If the person wants a streak or not, you can simply type in streak ? And send it to the contact. If they agree to the streaks, then you can now start sending each other snaps for the next 3 consecutive days, and that way you'll be able to start a streak on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.